marketing within FCS, we're going to cover a few of the components, the first being the attachment library, which is where we control and house all of the documents that we push out to prospects or candidates or clients. These are also documents that we incorporate within our proposals. The attachment library is located within the toolbox, and you can upload PDF documents here, which again we'll be able to push out through an email campaign. And we also use the attachment library in a few other capacities. After you have some literature stored within the system, the next component is really the CRM, which is broken up into three main lists: prospects, people we would like to do business with; candidates, people that we have maybe some opportunity currently that is on the table; and then clients, customers that we are or have done business with in the past. We can email to an entire list, or we can zero in on a specific territory by using a filter. Being within the Prospects tab, I may have an email campaign dedicated to trying to capture their business. For instance, doing work in the area. If you have any roof leaks, be sure to give us a call or come to our website. Whereas candidates, I would send a completely different message where I would entice them to move forward on any open quotes or projects that we have that are on the table. And then clients would be something like, we thank you for your business. So what I'll do for this example is take my prospects list, and I'm going to filter that down by plugging in a zip code with 200-mile radius around that zip code. Another good example of this functionality is being able to target a storm area. Now what we do is we select all of these records and come up here and click on our email button. You can also search by city if you want to target a specific city, by state. You have some different options there. You would click filter and you have your list. So however you get to selecting your records, you then click on this email icon, and you are now brought into the email environment. Whatever records we selected, they're automatically going to choose the company contacts as well as property contacts. However, we can BCC internally by typing in email addresses or first and last names, and your users will be available in this drop down. Type in a subject of the email. We'll call it working in the area. Now, email style is a toggle between normal and marketing. If you choose marketing, you'll have the option to put together more of an eye contact type of an email, where you can choose the background color as well as the foreground color to put something out there that sets yourself apart. Now, next comes the banner image, where you can drag in an image to go along with your email that ultimately, when your prospects click on the image, it will bring them to maybe a page on your website. Maybe they fill out a form on that page. We can type in a body into this email. We could be as extensive as we want. We can format this email. We can insert images into this email with this basic editor here. Include signature is going to pull the signature block that you have on file. We can also include additional literature by bringing it from our desktop or dragging those files here. And this is where the attachment library comes into play. We can choose items that we have available within our attachment library, whether they're brochures or their roofing colors or their warranties or what have you. You have the option to preview your email to see what it's going to look like. And once you're happy with it, just click send, and it will push that out to all of the records you have selected. So our message has been sent. That note will now be stamped inside of each of those records. So as they call back in, you can link that marketing effort directly to that customer calling in. So let's take a look at what that note looks like in just one of these examples. It says, email has been sent. And this is just a quick example of what that email was with the link to the brochures. That is how you can send email campaigns right through the system.